Okay, and we are back. So there's music in the background, please forgive me. Now, down to business. Please type, hold on. There we go. Please type a 0 or a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or any positive integer, i.e., that means that is. If you don't know how weird my linguistical approach to human society gets. 1004. Alright, so first let's do 0. Oh, what am I doing? I forget. So here we have a big old board, .org board. It's the BeagleBone AI64 with a motorcade. Small little bot. It's got a gripper on it. I haven't set that up yet. A little dusty, I know. Got a fan to cool things off. So yeah, that's our setup so far. No Wi-Fi yet, so it's not totally on its own in the wild. And right now I have 12.4 volts going into the motorcade and 4 motors, as you can tell. Motor 1, motor 2, power supply, motor 3, and motor 4. Alright, so let's do something fantastic here. So what we're gonna do is what we do. 0. Alright. Let's see what 0 does. So it goes forward and then reverse on motor 1. And then we are wondering what's next. Let's try 1. Alright, so we'll go here. 1. Now we have 2 wheels in motion, going back and forth. Not totally in sync yet, but we can fix that if we try. Now let's try 2. And here's our back wheel motion. Alright. And then we're going to try a fancy number. Let's say 5,000. We got 1 more motor left. And as you can see, all the LEDs are lit. And there's our last motor running. So that's 4 motors. And some nice source. I don't know if you can hear the motors running in the background, but we're going to Control C to escape. And what do we see? Motors cease. And they stop. Look. Yeah. Alright, so that's our setup so far. With the board, the cape, and some software. I have a GitHub I'm trying to work on. It's a work in progress. But that's it so far. Thank you for being part of my life, and that is my presentation for now. Over and out.